Welcome to Z Chef, where we cook food you love. Today I will cook Arvi Baingan. For our ingredients, I'm taking half kilogram Arvi and half kilogram Baingan. Payas 1 medium and 5 sabz mirch. After peeling off Arvi and Baingan, add into water bowls for cleansing. We will cook the whole dish on medium-low flame. Fry payas until light golden, and all Baingans. We will not add water while cooking, as it will automatically be extracted from Baingans dipped in water, as they will absorb water. Adding lal mirch half tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, haldi 1/4 teaspoon. Now let it cook for 10 minutes. During this we will add 1 tablespoon of salt in Arvi and whisk it. After that, wash Arvi in clean water. As you can see, Baingans are being cooked. All the water and cooking dish is coming out of Baingans. As 10 min are completed for Baingans, now add Arvi to it and cook it on low flame till Arvi gets tender. If still there is water, cook it on high flame to remove water. Now add garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Add 5 sabz mirch. Our food is ready. Happy eating.